Welcome to 28 Pixels, a new YouTube channel that aims to help you get the most from Lightroom and Photoshop and other photo editing tools. I know that there are many really good tutorials on YouTube and other places on the internet that give great advice, walkthroughs and workflows, but many of them assume that the end user, i.e. yourself or myself, have a pretty good understanding of what all the tools actually are. And I'm not going to assume anything like that. I'm going to present to you the little how-tos, but in a way that you can just follow along with nice and slowly. Take it in, refer back to it. I'm not going to make them long. There might be a minute or two each, so that if you're looking for a particular subject like how to use dodge and burn, or how to sharpen an area in Photoshop, or how to, let me just switch over here, or how to convert an image to black and white in Lightroom, how to dodge and burn in Lightroom. What the heck is dodge and burn? I want to explain that in a minute or two, so that you can get straight to the subject that you're trying to figure out, learn it, go over it a couple of times, and then go back to Lightroom or Photoshop and carry on editing your own photos. I will be going through things very slowly and explaining along the way what I'm doing. So if I'm down here increasing the exposure, I will explain what I'm doing here, and also I'll explain if I do anything up here in the histogram and other things that relate to what I'm doing, rather than just doing it and not really helping you to understand why I did what I did. I welcome your questions. I welcome all of your questions. Doesn't matter how simple they are, how basic they are, even if it's just how do I open a file in Photoshop, or how do I create a new layer in Photoshop. It doesn't matter how simple you might think it is. It might be holding you back from doing what you want to do with a photo. Therefore, ask the question and I will do my best to answer it in a very simple way that makes sense, that is understandable, and that will help you in the future. And that's it. That's what 28 Pixels is here to do. My name's Martin. This is 28 Pixels.